People think I'm obsessed with this, but I'm okay with it. I am obsessed with it. And I think this is an obsession that doesn't hurt anyone.
I saw this going around TikTok and I had to do it because our toothpaste always looks like this no matter how often I clean it. So I picked up these pump bottles at Target, and I like the amber color because in that way you won't be able to see the blue all the way through. And I'm just adding toothpaste with a little bit of Listerine to one so it can pump out easier, and to the other one I'm adding Listerine. And I also picked up these little cups from Walmart so that we can just pump our Listerine into the cups and we're good to go.
So like, I've never understood these videos why you would just take something out of a box to put in another box. What are you pouring in? Is that sesame seeds? Salt? No, that's sesame seeds. I mean, okay, that makes sense. You could shake it. Okay, put the stick. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, that's satisfying, but I don't got time for that. Okay, put the milk in there. Okay, moo. I just don't understand. Like, why can't you just keep it in the package it comes in? So much easier. I mean, okay, pour the Dunkin'. I'm not a fan of Dunkin' coffee. Sugar, okay. See, that just seems like a lot of work to me. Like, I don't get it. Okay. I mean, yeah, get all that toilet paper. Ooh, Goldfish are so good. Okay, move the Coke, okay. Cherry Coke's pretty. Is that, oh no, that's Coke Zero. Cherry Coke's, move the Snapple, yeah. See, I just don't have time for all this like, I don't understand. Okay, that's a lot of oranges.
What Jamaican? Ooh, we organized it. It's the everyday bagel seasoning for me. Not the everyday everything. Ooh, we done went through this. Not the chicken seasoning. Oh, I'm so sorry. Ooh, come do my house. My seasoning everywhere. Skadoosh. That's what I'm talking about. Slide right on. What a Reese's Puff. What a Cinnamon Toast. That's alright. I'm on no Fruit Loop. Oh, they got a Reese's Puff right there. Purr. Ooh, what's that? Caramel. Ooh, I need one for my house because Dunkin' and Starbucks be trying to sell coffee be real nasty. Oh, I about to throw it away. Oh, what's that? Dunkin' sponsor me. Like, stop playing. Just dump me in the coffee grinds. Like, ugh. I can't even pronounce it. I don't want that. I don't even know what that is. Throw it away. Napkins, love that. Ooh, blue. Everything blue just make me happy. I so love that. Ooh, what's next? Oh, them get my teeth assist, Flossiana. Yes.
Okay, I've decided to make my refrigerator ADHD friendly. First change, condiments, they're going in this bottom drawer here. Fuck a produce drawer. That's where things go to die and rot. If I want a condiment, I will go looking for that specific condiment. So they don't need to be front and center. What I need is when I open my fridge and go, I'm hungry, what do I have? Everything is visual. Nothing is stuffed behind anything else. I need to know that all the drink options are visible. All the snack options, front row. All the fruit, it's there and I can see it. If I designed refrigerators, they would be 6 feet long, 1 foot deep. Front row only. Except the cheese drawer. This drawer, it's empty. It's just going to live empty. Things that go in the drawers go to die. And here's my new condiment drawer. I can't believe how much front row space I was wasting by cramming all the condiments into the door. This refrigerator serves me now. It's going to make decision making and feeding myself and my family so much easier.
How I organize.
Frustrated trying to find your phone cord, especially when it's dark and you just need to charge your phone. This is a really simple solution I used with a command hook. Put it on the edge of your nightstand and it's so easy to grab.
5 random things you need from Amazon. This black metallic holder pops right into your sink and is hidden. Get some neutral sponges to match. This water bottle is super hydrating and helps you drink a gallon of water a day. These organizers for your pantry keep everything clean and sleek.
Things like this make me a little nuts. Every time I go to do laundry, I have to pull out my detergent in order to fill my cup up. Then I have to push it back, and it always tends to drip onto the bottom of the cabinet. So I was walking through Walmart and found this laundry detergent holder. It is such a brilliant idea. You set your laundry right on top. It's got a little lip to hold it. If it drips at all, it goes on the bottom. My doors close. It's a perfect hack.
When was the last time you organized under your kitchen sink? A lot of times this is the space that gets neglected, but I'm here to show you some great organizing tips that'll keep it clean. First tip is to use caddies. These are so handy because they store a lot of products and it's really easy to grab it and go whenever you're cleaning around the house. Second tip is to use your cabinet height to your advantage. Make sure you're utilizing as much space as possible by stacking bins or getting these pull-out drawer organizers from Target. There's nothing worse than running out of my favorite cleaning products, so I always like to keep a back stock. And then for the drawers, I do keep my detergent pods on top since that's what I reach for the most. These bins are actually shoe drawers from the Container Store, but they have so many different uses around your home. And lastly, on the inside door, I keep my veggie brush and the best sponges of all time, Scrub Daddy. You have to try them.